Hi everyone, this is Brad. If you've ever been going to websites and you notice maybe the text is a little bit small and you'd like it a little bit larger, here's what you can do. On your Windows-based device, hold down the Windows button in the bottom left and the letter U is an umbrella. You can now see how you can make the text size bigger. So go ahead, you can see the sample text size here. Good, let's take it up to 125%. Remember to select Apply. Give it a few seconds, and then you're going to see the text size is a little bit larger. Again, if you'd like to go back and change it, hold down the window and U, and of course, you can make it larger again if you would like. To do that, just remember to select Apply, and you can see the size difference now. Just make sure to scroll over and what you need. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.